Here are the locations. So I want to show you the neighborhood where it's very nice and quiet. So this is the property right here behind me. So I'm going to give you a tour so you can see it inside. Okay. See you later. So this is the kitchen. Everything is original. Need new appliance, but it's open, which is good. See this right here. We need a new kitchen. This is the so this is one bathroom. The top is good. Perfect. This is one of the bedroom. As you can see, it's normal size closet. Need doors. This is another room. So it's carpet. So it's a closet. Very small. So let's go. That's the entrance. This is the washer and dryer. Let's see the garage. This is the garage. It's very big. You can see. So this is the dining room. As you can see, the dining room is from the kitchen into the and this is the master. Need to change the door, the carpet. This is the master bathroom. So obviously the bathroom needs to be replaced. Very easy job. So this is it. You can see that's your area right here. You come out from the that bedroom, that kitchen, and the master bedroom. So this is the whole thing. It's not closed. Oh, this is the house next door. So that's it. So I already told the neighborhood, as you see, a lot of people is here looking at the house. See, this is it, right behind me. It's a very nice, quiet location.